Caribbean Heat, back at you. Hope everybody's just having a wonderful and marvelous day and everything's going great for you. You got food on the table, a nice transportation, a pretty cool spot to live in. You guys, I tell you, I appreciate you guys' comments, appreciate you guys how you reach out, how you're watching the videos. Great, we're trying to bring you good content all the time, good stuff. Hello to all the people that I meet in the community. Hello, how you doing? I'm meeting a lot of people lately, and in the Caribbean, especially in San Diego, that's actually following the channel. Okay, so moving quickly along. This video is about safety. Okay, safety while traveling. Okay, public safety, I would say, because the top three things in the news today is, first of all, is the coronavirus. Okay, a lot of you heard about it. Got a lot of people scared, a lot of people afraid. Then just the other day there was a man that was knifing people in London, whether he shot and knifed, whatever it was. There was an incident in London. Okay, and also there's another news article about one person killed, 5 injured in shooting on a Greyhound bus in California. Okay, so it seems like no matter where you are, where you're at, there's always going to be something going on. And I tell everybody that I come in contact with, especially my subscribers, family members as well, be careful, watch where you're going, watch who you be around, and just practice safety, because for the most part, the life you save just may be your own. Okay, in this coronavirus, there's travel restrictions in certain countries. Certain airlines won't go to those countries because of this virus. Okay, the public department is trying to tell us that that it's not really a major thing, but it is a public health emergency. Okay, because if it hasn't affected you, perhaps it will affect you sometime soon in the near future. You got to be very, very careful. Okay, they will always deny the public, the people that's supposed to be giving you information. It appears to me that they always deny what's really going on and what's really happening. Okay, and that's really crazy. There's travel restrictions in certain countries. Some certain countries you can't get in, you can't get out until they get a hold, okay, of this situation, which really started in Wuhan, China. Okay, reference to the meat, maybe a bat or something ate an animal. They took the animal. They have a lot of live animals there at their location. Okay, and one thing led to another. The disease began to spread, and now it's spreading like wildfire. They got people on these 747s, charter flights, flying them from China non-stop to LA, okay, California. They got people getting off of the big commercial airliner on a military air fighter base. Okay, they got them quarantined there for 14 days. Make sure that everything is cool. If you can't read between the lines, shame on you. Okay, we have an epidemic now in our nation about this coronavirus, and it ain't no joke. One lady that was over there, China, she was on vacation or whatever she was doing. Her husband and her daughter was back home in the States. She got on a plane, she came back home. She started talking to him, kissed her husband, kissed him in the mouth, you know, hey, I'm glad to see you, okay? Now she was already had the virus. Now she got him sick, and she kissed the little boy, breathing on him. So now that demonic virus has spread always from the mother, father, and the little boy, okay? That fast, that quick. So on these airlines, when people get off these airplanes down, they spraying the airlines down. Okay, all the seats, they just spraying them, decontaminating them. You got to be careful who you walking with, who you talking to, that's coughing in your face. You know, I always did hate people coughing in my face. I thought it was very, very, very disrespectful. Whether you're in a restaurant, whether you're on a plane, whether you're on a bus, or whether you're in a car, whatever, just coughing, just all in your face, the germs just coming out, you know, like it's not going to affect you, but now it is going to affect you. So if you see people coughing, tell me either hold it, cover their mouth, or you just put your shirt like this, so you don't get those germs, because germs travel fast. Germs travel faster than gossip these days. Okay? So you gotta be very, very careful. Now you gotta clean your hands real good when you go into the restrooms, because everybody's touching everything. You know, my wife told me one time, and I didn't think about it until she finally told me. She said, you know what, we go into these hotel rooms or, you know, wherever. She said the dirtiest thing in here is a remote control. Because everybody picks up the remote control, okay, turn the TV on, see what's going on, see what's happening, no matter what country they are. So if you're that person, you never wash your hands, it may be good for you to decontaminate that remote control in that hotel room, or decontaminate your hands and make sure that you're not carrying something on your hands. Okay, you know how we touch animals, we touch this, we touch that, we rub our face, we scratch our eyes, okay, scratch our ears, and we scratch other places. Okay, and you know what? It's really serious about these germs and disease going around all over the place. So I want to caution all my subscribers. You can tell your family members, your neighbors, next. You got to be very, very careful who you go around, who you talk to, who you shake hands with, and make sure that you are safe at all times. Because sometimes it can just be a basic conversation with somebody that they say they don't have it. Because sometimes people, and this virus is so treacherous that people have it, don't realize that they have it. Okay, it could be just like HIV, could be AIDS, could be anything like that. Okay, but the bad part about this whole coronavirus is there's no cure. Okay, there's no kind of cure. I mean, at least they got some kind of medicine for people that's got HIV and stuff like that, you know, and try to help you out, stuff like that, you know, and they do. That's why Magic Johnson went to another country to get his cure, and came back here, and he's doing fine, living like a normal person, no trace, no signs of it. Okay, he was a smart man. He got on a plane. He had to leave his country to go find some medicine, get a cure, and come back. Okay, so you gotta be very, very careful now. People are coming in all the time, especially my peeps in Vegas, especially you, because there's a lot of people come from Taiwan, Japan, Tokyo, all those kind of countries. They come to Vegas. They fly into Vegas because we got international flights coming to the airport. Okay, they go straight to the casinos. They coughing. Okay, they touching stuff, and those people can infect you if you're in Vegas, or they can go other places and infect you wherever they go. Okay, this is an Oriental disease, and I'm telling you, it is no joke. Okay, so I just want to kind of just let you guys know the death toll is finally going up. Okay, we've lost a few people in the Matrix. Okay, hope to God it never comes here to the Caribbean. I hope it doesn't. Okay, but I'm just saying, I want you guys to be safe wherever you are, wherever you go, wherever you be at, your family members. You guys practice safety, and if you got to fly somewhere and you're going to China or Tokyo, I would wear a mask. I would put a mask on the whole flight, because you got kids coughing, you got older people coughing, everybody's got a cough. And remember, on the airplane, that air just circulates air. Okay, you don't get no new air because you're in a plane, you're in a capsule, just about. Okay, so that air is circularized. Okay, and if it don't get you when it goes around one time, go around again, it might get you. Okay, so everybody's wearing masks now. You see how these guys are dressed on the news? They completely walk around with hazmat outfits on. The whole body is covered, head, face, everything is covered. Okay, it is covered because they do not want to get the infection touching. I know where they're coming from, because during my tour, the United States Army, when I was overseas and not too far from Stuttgart, I was the NBC NCO, okay? And then I became an NBC NCO IC for the whole battalion. It was me and another guy working together, okay? He left and I took over. And I was a sergeant, and my job was to make sure those chemicals, when they came in, the STB and DS2 was not put together, because if they leak, gonna be an explosion. Okay, I was trained, I was taught about the gloves you put on, about the boots, the gas mask, how fast to don your gas mask. Make sure that you don't get, and you hold your breath and you breathe in. Those discs that have an expiration date, the filters that go in there, they had an expiration date. You have to change them every now and then. I was responsible for all that, for hundreds and hundreds of soldiers in my battalion. Okay, so I know the deal. I gave training, I gave exercises, I gave demonstrations. I showed people how to protect themselves, how to get the gear on. I timed them, how long it take to put your jacket on, put your shoes on, put your boots on, because you're completely covered like a snowman. It was like a green Martian almost, okay? Now, this stuff is for real. So, I just want to encourage you to be safe, okay? And you just gotta watch out for your own self. And not just you, but your people around you, okay? And when people coughing, like I said, when they're coughing, they're talking, they're yawning, even a yawn, you can inhale it, and stuff can happen, okay? This virus is no joke, okay? So from shootings, from stabbings, wherever you may be, practice more safety like never before, okay? I just want you to know that, okay? Be safe, because safe is better than being sorry. So like I always say on the channel, in the meantime, between the time, remember life is to be enjoyed. Hit that subscription, notification, and we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.